What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back y'all to pick up. Today we got a super duper special unboxing. And of course, these shoes coming straight from Nike, as you can tell by the box. These are, of course, none other than the Nike Journey Run. And the W on these let you know these are coming in the women's size, but that's okay. Was able to convert these over to the men's. Now, one of the things that's special about this shoe is not only the retail price, but being able to get these below retail. I got these bad boys for $54 ship. $54 ship. Now, I'm not gonna quite put these in the category of a sleeper, but I will say these are shoes that you must at least try if you're getting below retail. And especially with a colorway like this, you might be able to wear something, you know, put something together like this, that's super fly. Or not, but you know, worth a try. So let's see what we got for today's video. Alright, so $54 will get you a shoe that looks just like this. And the thing that I love most about this shoe is the way they did this color combination. I love the metallic silver on the check. It's giving Silver Surfer vibes. And I love the way this meshing, the mesh netting on the upper has a combination of blue as well as green. You don't really see that too often in a shoe like this, especially at this price point. And it looks as clean as this does. The tech you're going to be using is going to be Comfy Ride. Literature is very limited on what exactly this tech is. Outside of what Nike says, I'm a little bit skeptical. They say this is great for, or at least made for running on pavement. Me personally, I need something a little bit more responsive if I'm going to run on pavement. But I think a treadmill will be just fine. But for $54, don't get me wrong, this is a steal. So as you guys can tell, these shoes clearly have a few hints of reflectability on them, which is right here, the traditional. Looks like the diamonds dancing. And then you have the light bouncing off the metallic silver right here. Now, I will say this, you will start seeing signs of wear after wear 2, really after wear 1, depending on how hard you guys go. And that's okay. I mean, it is what it is. Shoes are meant to be worn. And that's mostly because of the way they built this shoe. When you walk, these little lines in the creases is what keeps the cushion going, or what actually gives you the feel of the cushion. And for $54, I can't complain. These are not bad. Now what we got on the inside, we're gonna have some polyester lining as well as on the insole. And when you take the sole out, you get like something like this, which is not bad, nothing too crazy. And then on the inside, this feels like what's the material? It's not cotton swabs. It's I'm gonna put a picture up, but it's like the thing, I've seen it before, like girls, they remove the makeup, it's like these little cloths. The picture will be right here once I figure out what it's called. But that's what this feels like right here. On the inside, you do get a little bit of protectiveness. Like I said, the polyester, let me see if we can focus in. See the polyester lining on there. Now, interesting thing, at least to me, is the way they labeled this colorway. Lemon twist, you can clearly see that's at the top. Metallic silver, you can clearly see what's right here, as well as right here on the back. However, it then said twisted citron clear. And that's right here in the mesh. I agree with that. But what about the blue? I mean, the blue doesn't get a name. I mean, it's enough blue on here where it deserves something. I mean, at least just call it blue, but that's just me. I mean, it is what it is. But this mesh right here is good. This is a good amount of, this is a beautiful pattern. I like this pattern right here. So if it were up to me, will I double up on these? For $54, I don't know if I would double up, but I would definitely get at least one pair, because like I said, this is the shoe that you're gonna wear on a date night, or you're gonna just do like an entry level running, or you can work your second job in these. For $54, I can definitely see me pulling off during changeover season a nice little jacket and some shorts. All right, so can you put these on with no hands? If you have them pre-laced the way I do, yeah, there should be no problem. And like I said, for $54, these aren't bad. Right here is where you feel the cushion. And then as you're walking, right about right here, you feel a little bit more cushion. Now, how much of a height boost are you gonna get with these bad boys? At its peak, you are a little under 2 inches, not bad. And as far as taking these off with no hands, yeah, you can really do that. Time has passed where I can tell you guys about each and every shoe that you see here before me, what it is I like, what it is I love, and what it is I think that they should work on for the next version. And we're going
Yeah, Shy. Do that.